What is sprint planning meeting in Agile? Sprint planning is a short working session that takes approximately 2 hours for every week of a sprint. This means for a 3-week sprint, the meeting takes roughly 6 hours. In general, you can determine the duration of sprint planning by multiplying the number of weeks in your sprint by 2 hours. No matter how long they take, all the meetings do not provide a roadmap for the team if they are not assembled in an efficient way. However, the aim of this meeting is to help the team to create good work. What is a sprint planning meeting? The sprint planning meeting is one of the most important Scrum ceremonies to achieve Agile implementation within an organization. Therefore, implementing Agile and planning successful meetings require skilled and experienced team members. It is a kickoff meeting for each sprint to assemble to answer the questions: what will be delivered in this next sprint? How will we deliver? During a sprint planning meeting, the product owner describes the priorities for the product and the Scrum team asks questions to understand the key aspects. It is a collaborative meeting in which the product owner, the Scrum team, and in some cases outside stakeholders may attend in. At the end of the meeting, the team will have the following: the sprint backlog, the list of tasks to be completed during Scrum sprint. The sprint goal defines what can be delivered during the sprint. Agreement by the team to do what is possible to achieve the goals. For better understanding, let's discuss each role in a Scrum team. Scrum Roles. Scrum Master. Scrum Master is a person who guides the project team and makes sure that the process is following the Scrum framework. He improves the productivity of the team by removing the obstacles and organizing the critical meetings. From this aspect, he acts as a protector which makes the process run smoothly. From the sprint planning meeting point of view, he facilitates the meeting and ensures that members are prepared and every participant is available at the scheduled time. Product Owner. The product owner is the one who is responsible for expressing the product backlog items to the team members. His aim is to maximize the value of the product. In other words, one of the main responsibilities of a product owner is to order and prioritize the product backlog items to goals and missions. The product owner should be well prepared before the sprint planning meeting in terms of creating the product backlog items, because he will answer the questions of the team around product requirements such as acceptance criteria. The development team. The development team is a group of experts, designers, developers, testers, etc., who will do the actual work or contribute to the product. The product owner sets product backlog items, the Scrum Master guides the team to follow the Scrum framework, and the development team performs the work. What is expected from the development team in a sprint planning meeting? Actively participating in the meeting. Having a clear understanding of the requirements. Collaboration and coordination. Benefits of running a sprint planning meeting. Improves communication, collaboration, and teamwork. Provides a better understanding of the requirements of the product. Better task prioritization and estimation. Provides different approaches and point of views. Ensures delivering products with the highest possible value. Improves just-in-time planning. Provides a reference point for velocity measurement. Provides a better definition of the goals, sprint goal and sprint backlog definition. Tips for running an effective sprint planning meeting. Hold a pre-meeting before the meeting. Set the goal of the sprint and prioritize the stories. Create a meeting agenda to save time. Remind the goals or visions of the project to the team members. Know the capacity of the team and the team members. Keep the length of the meeting optimum. Present product backlog items. Discuss new information and updates that may affect the plan. Present the velocity to be used. Learn from the mistakes.